smoke. Told myself slow down.
Irish pub. That's the anthem of all the Irish pubs. Irish pub rock. Take a look, take a look. Irish pub rock anthem. Let's go, baby, PPT. You are in your house, of course. You don't recognize it. You don't recognize it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello, boss. I'm Mr. Big Balls. Hello, Mr. Big Balls. How are you doing, Mr. Big Balls? How is your trading going? Ready? The past day first. Wednesday? No, Friday I didn't trade. Friday I didn't trade. Wednesday and Thursday, it was just sucks. Just sucks. But otherwise, all the beginning of this year. Wonderful, bellissime. Feel you watching out. Hello, hello, hello TC, hello Marie Fauchou, hello LG. Hello Pepe. Hello Piper official. Hello Lindsay, it's been a while. Lindsay. Hello Brad, hello Kryptonite. Hello Flo, how was Poland with La Pepi? Did you let it go, baby? Oh, so many things, guys, so many things. I just 1 hour earlier. I just arrived at my home, just getting ready for the live and launch it. I arrived to my. I landed 2 hours ago. I spent all the weekend in Poland with the last winner of the 10k Jordan Challenge and another French streamer, La Pivette, in Poland, in Krakow. All the night with La Pivette, we did the party. We did a lot of party this weekend, especially this night. With La Pivette. I don't even have... no, I didn't take any videos of this night. Fuck, I have no video with La Pivette. By chance, I have no video. By chance. So that's why I'm a bit tired, but never mind. We don't give a fuck to be tired. We are here to make money. We are here to speak and talk about trading. We are here to do a huge bootcamp. We are here to improve each one of you guys. Each one of us. We are here to improve each one of us, guys. Let's go, baby. Big Balls party. Oh, you can say that. Yeah. It was a huge Big Balls party. You have good spirits for the operation. Yeah, of course, I'm ready for the operation. Of course. Always ready for the mission. Always. Hello, Ryo. Is that how to enter the giveaway? Nothing to do today. Bank holiday. Today it's holiday, guys. It's MLK day. So we're gonna do these 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're gonna do a bootcamp. Today it's, as I just said, the MLK day, holiday. So that's why I'm gonna take a look for the open. We'll see if there's a potential trade to take or not. And just after that, we're gonna start the bootcamp for the first day. And Tuesday, so tomorrow, I'm gonna keep continue with the second day of this bootcamp. I'm gonna explain a lot of things tomorrow too. And there's going to be some questions after each day some questions that I'm gonna ask you on the chat, and for all those who's answering, I'm gonna note it, all of you who answers on the chat, and then for all the active participants and all the active viewers who are answering my question during the quiz, I'm gonna note it, and all those who answering the 3 days of the bootcamp, at the end, Wednesday, there's going to get a chance to win the giveaway by Phidias Propfirm. Let's go, baby! Let's go. Some guys are beasts, risking too much to win 300 or 400k. Oh yeah. But they deserve it. They deserve it. Let's take a look at the 10k Jordan challenge. Boom. I'm fourth. I'm fucking fourth. I need to keep going and stay in the fight. And stay in the fight of the 10k Jordan challenge. And by the way, the two first guys, Geraldo and Hassan, got a balance, the both of even more than 400k, $400,000, and they lost their accounts. Their accounts with they got. It seems that they are trading together because they win in the same time, then they lose in the same time. They are doing everything in the same time. Everything. Okay, so we'll see. Hassan, he's able to win because he has already did it. He's able to win more than $400,000. So it's going to be tough to beat him. But we'll see. There's 1.5 months left before the end of this challenge. Everything is possible. Absolutely everything is possible. When you don't cross the finish line, everything is possible. And I'm a specialist. I'm a specialist to be the biggest asshole, the biggest motherfucker, the biggest guy that you hate. Why? Because I love just after just before the finish line, when all the first guys are thinking that they're gonna win or they're gonna keep their place. Just before the finish line, I love to pass them. Bam! Bam! And look at them in my mirror. Bam! That's the best roller coaster, the best emotional roller coaster to put and to give on all your opponents. That's like how you need to treat your opponents in trading, guys. La! It's war! It's war! Let's go! Silver traders. Of course, silver traders. Hello, trading girl. Just stopping by to say hi, Phidias, from my from your private jet. 10k end of day or static? End of day. 10k always end of day. If end of day swing not possible, that's possible. Swing. It's possible to keep your trades in swing of the 10k Jordan challenge, but this 10k Jordan challenge, it's adjusted on the PNL you have during the next day. So, for example, I'm gonna give an example to be more clear. If you are winning 50k at midnight during the next day, okay? At the beginning of the next day, if you are winning in unrealized PNL 50k, and so the drawdown is gonna trail it up at 40k, 40,000. So you can have a swing trade, but your trailing drawdown adjusted at $10,000 of your unrealized PNL. That's how it works. Always here, funky, of course, baby, of course. Like an annoying snipe bid on eBay. I don't even know the stock on eBay, how it looks like. I love your energy. I love you too. I love you too. Thank you, thank you. So, are you Arabic? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm 100% French, baby. I'm 100% French. And I want to be an American guy. So that's why I'm saying always that I'm a fucking American boy stuck in a French body. Holiday so low, volume so careful, guys. Yeah. We need to be careful for this open. We'll see. I'm gonna trade it during an half hour. This open. We'll see if we have any, some setups or not. And then directly after that, bam, we're gonna start the bootcamp. If I get one DeepShart account, can I add and copy it? If I get one DeepShart account, can I add and copy to my other Rhythmic accounts? No, because the trade copier works only on your execution platform and not on another platform. So for example, if you have the Rhythmic data feed and you trade with Quantware, it's pretty well known that you can copy all your accounts that you have on Quantware. But because you are using Quantware and not another platform, you cannot copy Quantware, all your accounts on Quantware and copy some other accounts on another platforms. So that's why it's just in intern. If you are using Quantware, you can copy all your trades on Quantware. If you are using DeepShart, you can copy all your trades on DeepShart. And I need, by the way, to activate my my trade copier for it is open. Hello NYC, what's up? 21k subscribers. Let's fucking go, baby! Let's freaking go! Like that, with this pace, I think in 4 months we're gonna reach the 100k of subscribers. He seems not. No. Reach the 30k. Hello from Italy, Filippo. Tutto bene. Let's go, baby. The craziest horse riding charts. There needs to be a duck race today. No. During these next 3 days, there's not going to be a duck race, guys. Unfortunately. But Thursday, we're gonna take it back this duck race and organize it back this duck race again. Hello Trader, hello Superfly, everyone, long time no see. yeah, right. Lindsay, it's been a while. It's been even 1.5 months, I think. Hey, took a break after payout. Always do, otherwise I get too excited and make silly decisions. Oh, you're so wise. Why everyone are not like that in all the retail traders? Because we are just addicted. We are just, as Trader Kayo said, we are just the Nasdaq cracked and the market's cracked. Hello Mendig, hello everyone, thank you. What data feed does DeepShart use? The DX feed. If you are going on the Phidias Propfirm website, you're gonna see that you can choose either between the DX feed or the Rhythmic feed. Rex data included in the plan, or is Rex data included in the plan? Not or available as an add-on. They are available as an add-on. Let's say I have maybe a video of. Let's see, guys. Let's see. That's the winner at the center, is the winner of the last 10k Jordan challenge. But actually it was our bodyguard when we went out in Poland. It was our bodyguard. Oh, look, wait. It was so freaking cold over there. It was so freaking cold. So freaking cold. -10, something like that. Oh, look, La Pivette, the 5th, guys, of the last 10K Golden Challenge. Look how he's dancing. The YMCA. The YMCA. Wow, YMCA. And I gave them a black hat like that for Tom and La Pivette. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's do a quick market analysis. Tom, we don't. Looks crazy. Hello, Scorn! What's up? How was your holidays? Yeah, not being greedy is important, so important. But you know what? We are men, and men are, I think, are more greedier than women. Will these streams be saved to be viewed later on RCP Centers? Of course! Of course! Of course it's saved on the Phidias Propfirm YouTube channel. You just click on the live section and then every lives are available to watch it again. Where is Florian? I don't know. Where is Florian? Florian! Florian! Where are you, motherfucker? Soon, Florian with Uncle Bugatti to do the Phidias dance. We are waiting for Uncle invitation. Of course. Uncle Bugatti. Where are you? Hello, BT Capital. Is La Pivette better at dancing than trading? Of course. There's not even a question about that. Guy, he sucks in trading, but on the dance floor, he's pretty good. Okay, Florian is okay. So we had until the Monday a nice gap. We are stuck in this range, but we have a nice gap on the NQ, even on the ES2. So I'm waiting for that. Why not today or the next days of the week that we're gonna come back, that we're gonna bounce on these daily fin lines. So I remind you that my fin lines is the EMA 72 and 89. I'm expecting that we're gonna bounce on it and then fill this gap. Okay? That's what I'm waiting for this week, or why not for today? We'll see. But today. It's holiday in US. I'm waiting absolutely nothing. So like that, I'm not gonna be frustrated. I'm not gonna be disappointed. Just going to be at the surprise. Okay. YM. I took a loss. This morning because if you remember, I was in long. Thursday, and I put a target at 50,000, so we didn't reach this 50,000 level, so I got a stop on my swing account by Phidias Propfirm. The Russell, the Nikkei, the VIX stays low. The gold, let's take a look on the commodities. The gold is doing new all-time high again. The silver does the same thing almost than the gold. I'm gonna trade these next days again. New accounts on this 10K drawdown challenge by Phidias Propfirm, trying to reach the top 3 because I think I'm 4th and I have the guarantee to be in the top 5. I think at 90% sure. But I need to keep going and keep fighting to reach at least the top 3. But I remind you, my main objective for 2026 is being for every edition on this 10K drawdown challenge to be in the top 10. With this balance, I succeeded. But now now, you know, it's absolutely the psychology, the natural thinking humans. When you achieve something, you want always more, always. And when you have more, you want always more, always more, always more, always more. That's how sometimes you can get a lot, and sometimes the only way that it's waiting for you is bankrupt. That's how the life is working. That's how the life is working. And I got the both. In every aspect of my life, I've already lived the both. I'm still in my short over there, almost at 59, something like that, in my short on the crude oil. The copper stays in this range. Today I'm only going to take a look on the NQ, and it's open, guys! It's open! The silver doesn't move anymore. And let's go, baby! Hello, Bear Trader! Best swing trade potential 25,680 with the correct size, all in. Okay, it's so slow directly at the open. It's so slow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We had a gap since the first weekend of the year. Since the first weekend of this 2026 year, we had a gap that we needed to fill, and we filled it today. We filled it even yesterday, but we filled it. So yeah, I can say Sunday evening or Monday, and we filled it. So I can erase it. But now we have another gap to fill in this range. Okay, I'm gonna draw it like that. I have this information on my charts. Okay, so at how much is it the gap? Okay, I'm looking at the market profile, and for me the gap is at 25,681.25. That's the gap that we need to fill. Fuck. Boom. Okay. Modify text. Gap to fill. Okay. Let's go, baby. Fill it. Give us a huge bullish move. Okay, we are dumping until open. The first open of the week. New week, new opportunities, guys. How are you, Bear Trader? It's not really open, Stefan. Absolutely not. Can you stop to trade this 10k drawdown to be sure to be in the top 10 and start a second account to gamble for the first place? Yes, of course, SG. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not gonna take a risk to blow up this account. I'm gonna take another account, and I have still some few other accounts, and I'm gonna trade these new accounts. But I'm going never to touch this account where I'm winning where I have a balance of $250,000. Never. And if I touch it, it would be a mistake. it will be a mistake, and I would be so upset again with myself. So that's why as soon as I'm gonna trade a 10k drawdown challenge, I have to be careful to I have to be really careful on which account I'm trading. CM is open! New York closed! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Even during a MLK day, let's try to win a little bit. No volume. Yeah, absolutely normal, guys. Absolutely normal. You know what? If I wasn't in live stream, I wouldn't even turn on my charts and my trading platforms. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But because we are freaking addicted to this game, let's take a look anyway. Let's take a look anyway. Okay. Okay. Theodore, it's holiday day today, yeah, it's MLK day. It's not, that looks hell, lot of fun. Sadly, I'm not allowed to go party without my girlfriend. No! But your girlfriend danced so well. Danced so well. Wilson! Yeah, I saw that. No. Bear Trader, we're coming back with this duck race Thursday. Okay, I'm still waiting a setup on it, and there's absolutely no problem to take non-trade today. Absolutely not. We are dumping. Don't forget, guys, that we are on my daily fill lines. So at any moment we can bounce on it. That's why I prefer to take some longs than shorts. But I don't like to fade this and try to buy the dip. I don't like that. But it seems that if you want to win, it would be the only way. The only way to win. Trying to catch the dip, to buy the dip. Let's go, baby! The market is treacherous. Trading micro lots, yeah, of course. And let's activate, by the way, the trade copier. Trade copier on deep chart, guys. On deep charts, it's one of the best trade copiers that I used it in my trading career. Okay. No, I cannot close this window when it's activated. Boom, and I need to arrange my layout too. I don't like this layout. I need to arrange it, but I have absolutely no time for myself these past days. Okay, boom. Okay, everything is working. I'm ready. Bam, and in approximately 20 minutes we start the. We'll start this famous bootcamp, the first day of this famous bootcamp. Let's go, baby! Guys, this night I was all the night in a club in Krakow, just dancing on the dance floor with Florian. And 10 hours later, I'm at my home on the charts. I cannot believe it! I cannot believe it! I just slept all the morning and in the plane to be in shape right now. And I never feel in shape like that almost of all my life. Let's go, baby! But the Nasdaq is not in shape. There's always a bounce after a 500 point loss. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting for Stefan. Yeah. But for the moment, right now, we haven't it. We have not it. The market is closed today. What you will trade, my cake. Hello, Pepe! Hello, my Lulu. I'm just popping in to give you a kiss of... Oh, thank you so much. I love it. I love it when you're popping on my on my live. I mean to give you a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Pepe, and I hope your trading is doing well. How is doing your trading? Okay. We have a bounce. PPTV. Let's try a long. Let's try a small long. I'm gonna be filled. I'm filled. Let's go, baby! First trade of the week! First trade! During holiday! I'm gonna be fucked up by the Nasdaq or not? Don't forget, guys, market makers are watching our live stream. And where there are no volumes, market makers are dominating the markets. That's what they prefer, the market makers, when there are no volume, no volatility, absolutely nothing. Am I? Yeah, I'm everywhere. PPTV, dead cat bounce. Oh my god. By chance, I'm just keeping the same size as usual in even a more volatility market. And by chance, the volatility today is just really low. So even if I'm losing today, normally I'm not supposed to lose a lot. Addicted, I'm just addicted. As all of us, I think, Ryo. Okay. I'm waiting a bounce. But if I'm going out right now, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to sell the low of the day. The low of the day. And if I'm not going out right now, it's going to dump about 100 points. I buy 260 to 305. Okay, wow. Stefan, wow. In a small day like that, you're playing so huge moves. We are the Nasdaq Rocket. Gap? There a gap? On the 18th of December? I have not this one. But I see it. I have a single print on it, but I have no gap. Still waiting a bounce. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Or maybe I'm completely crazy to hold this trade. Okay. Can you break the 50 or not? Can you break it? Break it. Break it. Come on. Bounce. Come on, bounce! Come on! Don't stay choppy like that. Just bounce and squeeze all the shorts. As you are used to markets, as you are used to market makers. Come on! The shorts are enough one on these moves. So come on! Make a short squeeze! Come on! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! I'm begging that my entry is not a resistance. Yes, violent bounce. I feel violence coming. And by the way, we have the 15 minutes OPR. The 15 minutes OPR is the low of the 15 minutes OPR is at 240.25. Let's draw it. Boom. And on the yes to boom. $20 points short squeeze, lol. No. Who knows? Who knows? we're gonna stop over there this short quiz. No one knows. It would be amazing that we have a short quiz until my 1 minute thin lines over there. Amazing. And if I hold this thread until the 1 minute thin lines, honestly, I'm done for the day. Hello, Semia! What's up? The tension is at its maximum. Market makers are having breakfast in Trump's Tower Penta. Glory Trade is gonna come back. Tomorrow NQ, but today maybe the girl for those who wants to try small positions. Hello Dario! PPTV, of course! PPTV is the best card by Phidias Propfirm, guys! PPTV if you want to enjoy an account of the best Propfirm in the world. And PPTV will make you succeed. For sure. Will make you succeed for sure. Look at this, guys. Look at this. How can I guess? How can I know that the market is going to bounce? How can I know it? And how can I play it? That's what we are going to see in this bootcamp. Let's go, baby! Let's go! We are going to see in the bootcamp how to see the future on the market. You just need to buy a special sunglasses which is allow you to see everything in the future. That's my secret. That's what I'm gonna explain you later on this bootcamp during 3 days. How to wear correctly your sunglasses. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. But like that. Come on, push! 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 Let's put the music, the pushing music. Where is it? Where is it? The music? Come on, come on, come on! Wait! Wait! Wait, Nasdaq! I don't find the music, the pushing music! Wait me, please! You are going too fast to my target! Wait! I'm asking you to wait before making me winning, please. I know that I'm a winner. I know, but wait. Okay, I found it. Be careful on your volume, guys, because we're gonna put all in this music.
Push, 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 yeah. Push,
Pushing.
push, Numbers climbing, sky ain't shy. Pushing till we touch that high. Take a taste the heartbeat, pulse of the street. Niggas dancing dirty, trying to never face defeat. Green arrows flex, Wall Street heat. Markets like mountains, grind don't retreat. Algorithms whisper, secrets
Nice
ain't
to do above
cold.
286.
Streams flowing, we stand peace mode. Buy low, hold tight, pockets explode. Pushing through the static to the mother lord.
Pushing. Pushing.
Watch it rise. Nasdaq touching skies.
Pushing.
Don't aspire. Dreams don't compromise. Tech stock sprinting. Marathons a vibe, traders got their fingers trigger. Happy they decide, Silicon Valleys, pockets collide. Pushing through the ceiling on that rocket ride.
One tick, guys. One
Candlestick
tick.
flicker, tell a story untold. Bulls on the rampage, bears left in the cold. Wrists like
1 point,
roulette,
1 point.
spin beat bold. Pushing past the limit where the dreams are gold.
No! Come on, you need to push. You need to push. You need to push. Please. 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 Get out. Marco Polo, go out, Florian. No, I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I'm greedy and that's pay. That's pay. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb to be so greedy like that. But look at it. Look at this. Sometimes it pays. Lol. 1000k on silver on that push. Let's freaking go. You did 2k. 2100 on silver on that push. Lindsay, hold it. Get out, hold it. No. Guys, it's the open, it's MLK day. It's the holiday. Hit and run. Hit and run, guys. Hit and run. Oh, I'm feeling so good. I won. I'm on this account at plus 60 bucks. That's enough for the day. On the 100k. Fundamental and swing. I won $243. And I just want to say, let's go, baby. We are recovering the loss of Wednesday and Thursday. Slowly. On holiday. Let's go, baby! Oh, we are breaking the hike of the 15 minutes up here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing trade. Amazing markets. Amazing Nasdaq. Amazing holiday. Amazing MLK day. Amazing 19th January. Amazing winter. Amazing live stream. Amazing Phidias Propfirm. Amazing Propfirm, rather. I'm out and done. Crap volume. And thank you. Congrats, Lindsay. Thank you for the green candle. It's new that I'm macro. What? Be careful, 300 FVG. I'll hold tease to heaven, bro. Crafton. Do you really think that you're gonna reach heaven? You? No. Rather, you need to say that you hold it until evil. I cannot pronounce it. I cannot pronounce it correctly. Until evil. Guys, I'm fucking stuck in a French body. It upset me so much. Amazing Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Hello, I'm the friend. Hello. I'm Trey. Flo, how was your trip to Poland with Tom and Trader? Amazing. I loved everything that we did all together. We did a nice interview. but the interview is on the phone of Floppyvet. He needs to send me, but the interview is last during 30 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that. So he needs to send me, and it's gonna take some time. And we did a lot of party. We visited the city. We talked all together on several and passionate topics. I love that. Business, personal life, professional life, politics, geopolitics, about the world, about everything. It was so freaking interesting. And I said to Tom and Lapibet, why I don't have more friends like that? Why I don't have more friends like that? Why, with all my surroundings and all my family and friends, why I don't talk with finance like that, with business like that, with the world like that? Why? They are so open-minded. I freaking love that. Do you trade stocks as well, Lindsay? Done. Alright, guys. I think I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. We are hitting right now the 5 minutes thin lines. So guys, be careful, because you know that you usually the 5 minutes thin lines are working pretty well, and we are rejecting often. It is EMA, it is thin lines. So be careful on it, because we are on it. We are on it right now. Amazing trade, and I'm almost a kind of disappointed to didn't hold this trade, but never mind. We would never catch the low of the day and sell the high of the day, and opposite, never. It's impossible to do it. It's impossible to do it, and if you are doing it, it's a chance. It could happen, but it stays chance. Okay. Yeah. 60 bucks on a 25k static account on a holiday. Yeah, for sure. Okay, I decided that I'm stop trading for the day. It's enough. I'm winning during holidays. Usually I'm losing during holidays because there are no volume. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, guys, let's start in the bootcamp. Let's start the bootcamp. Okay. Just before to start the bootcamp, I need to do something. We are just going straight forward on the NQ and on the ES2. Amazing move. What a short squeeze that we have right now. When everyone are shorted the lower of the day, boom, everyone is getting squeezed right now. That's why I took a long. I was in a bit in drawdown, but I held it because I was convinced that it's probable to that we would have a short squeeze, and I just play the probability, guys. Okay. Yes, Olivier, let's come on, Flo. Yeah. Come on. Okay. No. Guys, that's just unbelievable that we are going straight forward like that. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Nope, only been trading future for 3 months, but crypto 1.5 years prior to that. Wow. Okay, we broke the 5 minutes thin lines, and we are going straight forward and into the VWAP at 25,351. And it's a resistance too until the Globex session. If we break 350s, we might rip up. Oh, maybe a pullback over there on the NQ. Maybe. Who knows? But it's so slow, guys. When we are scalping the NQ, when we scalp the NQ, it's the minimum ideal to scalp the NQ is getting 1,000 volume per minute, and the maximum that we got today since the open, it's 1,000 volume. But since the open, we have in average 500s, 460, 500s of transactions of volume per minute. That's absolutely not enough to do scalping. Florian, what order flow tool do you use? I'm using the DOM, the time and sales. As order flow, I'm using the cumulative volume delta, and that's it. All right, guys, let's start the bootcamp. Let's start the bootcamp! Are you ready? Order flow. Are you ready? If you are ready, I want to see PPTV. Yes, baby! In the chat. Come on! Let's go, baby! We are in mission! Thanks! You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. So this bootcamp is for everyone. It's for everyone. It's designed and built for everyone. For everyone. Like that, everyone can learn about some things, because I know that some people want to learn, are completely beginner, wants to win and get payouts on Propfirms. Some others are more advanced but never gets payouts, and some others are just experts and get a lot of payouts. So that's built for everyone. Hello, ISO! BBTV, let's go. No, I'm not ready. With no fear, you need to be ready for that! You need to be ready! You need to be ready! How much do I have to pay? So much. It's so freaking expensive. So freaking expensive. But maybe the ROI, the return on investments, could be so huge, and you can reach, you may reach the sky, the stratosphere, thanks to this bootcamp. Maybe it's worth it, this investment. And the investment is about an half hour. An half hour. A half hour. Or maybe an hour. It depends. And of course, look, of course, a PPTV code, that's it, that's the only investment. Let's freaking go. Anyone can always learn something new, even if experience. I'm so agree with that, Lindsay. Alright, so let's go, baby. So, let's start this first bootcamp of Phidias Propfirms ever. Does Phidias have deep charts? Of course! Of course! Look at it. Look at it. If you are, when you are selecting, why not big boss code? When you want to choose and select an account, you have the choice between the DX feed, and if you choose the DX feed, it's deep charts or rhythmic feeds. And if you are using deep charts, that's it, the version, and I'm trading every day since Christmas on deep charts, and that's a pretty nice platform. A pretty nice platform. I love it, and I think I'm not going back on Quantware. Okay, like that you know everything. Boom. PPTV. There are gifts today. No, as I said at the beginning of this live, we will do a giveaway at the end of this bootcamp, and the bootcamp is going to last until Wednesday. It's going to last during 3 days, and I'm gonna take a note of everyone who's answering at the end of each bootcamp on each day. I'm going to take a note of everyone who's answering to my quiz, to my questions. I'm going to put all of you guys who's answering in a word in my notes, and for all those who's answering to my questions for every day, so today, Tuesday, and Wednesday, at the end of this bootcamp, so Wednesday, they are going to get a chance to win one of these giveaway, guys. All right, so make sure to watch this bootcamp, to watch this trading, this bootcamp and this live stream, and and answering the question, of course, at the end. All right, today it's not gonna take a while. Tomorrow I have more things to say and explain. But today it's pretty nice. All right, let's go, baby. I'm going to put anyway a music, otherwise like that it's the vibes is more cozy. Same platforms. All right, guys. So let's start it, guys. Let's start it. The first day is going about to build a winning trading system. When will be the end of the live? To reconnect later and answering the questions as soon as I don't even know. So good luck for you. Alright, so the first day I'm going to explain you in these next minutes how to build your winning Propfirm strategy, especially built for Propfirm. Okay? So if I told you that 87% of traders fail their Propfirm's evaluation within the first 30 days. You'd probably think the system is rigged. But here's what nobody tells you. The 13% who succeed aren't smarter, they don't have better indicator, and they definitely don't have some secret strategy. Unless mine, which is getting and wearing the best sunglasses ever to seeing the future. But that's it. Otherwise, all the winners have not secret strategy, secret indicator. Just in case. What they have is something far more powerful. A complete battle-tested framework that turns evaluation accounts into consistent payouts. Okay? And over these next 3 days, I'm going to hand you the exact blueprint I've used to help hundreds of traders go from failing evaluations to receiving cash accounts. So when I say cash accounts, it's funded accounts and payouts, withdrawals too. Alright, so as I said, today we're building your winning strategy from the ground, from zero, not theory, not fluff, the real framework that separates funded traders from failed attempts. If you're ready, let's get started into it. Let's break into it. The foundation why most strategies fail. Before we build your winning strategy, you need to understand and figure it out why most traders fail. And it's not what you think, guys. Give me the magic code to do a payout directly. Okay, the magic code is PPTV. If you are using it, it's the magic code to get your payouts. But how Firm gonna make money if we are all in lol? That's the business of Phidias Propfirm, because with Phidias Propfirm it's the best and easiest Propfirms in the world to get a live account. And once, if you are enough good in trading, you can get all the withdrawals, all the payouts as you want on your live accounts, guys. Alright, so the average trader approaches a Propfirm evaluation like this. They open the average trader, they open the because we know it. They open the accounts, they look at their charts, they see what looks like a setup, and they take a trade. That's it. And maybe they win, maybe they lose, of course, but here's the problem. They are not trading a strategy, they are trading hope. And of course, they are gambling. But a winning Propfirm strategy isn't just about entries and exits, it's a complete system that accounts for 3 critical elements. The first one is you need to know which instruments give you the highest probability of success. The highest probability of success. You need to be specialized on one market. I see guys just want to call. That's normal. Within the so yeah, as I said, you need to know what is your own instruments on the markets who gives you the highest probability of success within the specific constraints of a Propfirm evaluation. Not every market is equal when you are trading with drawdown limits and profit targets. You need to know that, and you need to have it in your mind. Okay, the second point, the second element is time optimization. Propfirms don't care when you trade. They don't care. They don't give a fuck about that. But the market does. There are specific windows where your edge is maximized. And trading outside these windows is like fighting with one hand tied behind your back. Okay? If you have already a fight against another, good luck to fight like that. Pooh! 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 I'm fighting every day the Nasdaq with only one hand, with my mouse. Pooh, 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 pooh. But in reality, if you fight like that against Mike Tyson, so against the market makers, boom, if with only one head, as an illustration, good luck, but I would bet all my assets and all the best things that I get in my life that you're gonna be dead in few seconds if you are just trading and fighting with one hand tied in your back. All right, and the third element is the rules compatibility. This is the one everyone ignores. Your strategy must be designed around Propfirm's rules, not despite them. For example, end of day drawdown, minimum trading days, profits targets. These aren't obstacles. They are the framework your strategy must leverage. Okay? Most traders fail because they try to force their existing strategy into a Propfirm structure. That's backwards. You need to build your strategy specifically for Propfirm success. So let's do exactly that. Let's do exactly that, guys. And for that, there are 4 pillars. I imagine 4 pillars of a winning strategy. Every winning Propfirm strategy is built on these 4 pillars. If you miss one, and your foundation is cracks. Master all 4 and you are in the top 13%. The first one is define your trading identity. Before you touch a chart, you need to answer one question. What type of trader are you? What type of trader are you? And Tiffen, why are you speaking in English? I don't understand anything. Maybe you need to learn to speak in English. You need to say it again in French. I understand. Let's go, baby. Why do you think I speak in French? Because French are not... Look at it. Look at it. Just showing you something. When I take the maps... When I'm taking and looking at the maps, look at it. Oh, France is just this. And then, how can I speak and talk to the whole world without speaking English? How is possible? I don't know. How is possible? Okay, let's coming back. So before, as I said before, you touch a chart, you need to answer what type of trader are you? And I don't mean what type you want to be, I mean what type actually matches your personality, your schedule, and your psychological wiring. There are 3 primary trading styles in the futures market. World is flat. Oh, USA rules. Yeah, USA. God bless America. World is flat. The first primary trading style is scalping. You are in and out in seconds or minutes. Sometimes high frequency, small profits per trade requires intense focus and fast decision making. Okay, that's about the scalping, and that's what we love it, especially during the open. Okay, but this is the best for traders who can dedicate uninterrupted time during high volume sessions. The other trading styles is about day trading. So is it some positions held for minutes to hours, all closed by end of session. And I've already showed you huge day trades. I don't know if I've already showed you huge day trades on this Phidias Propfirm YouTube channel, but on my personal YouTube channel in live stream, I've already showed you huge day trades. And after these ones, I said that I'm the biggest day trader in Europe. Scalper, shoot and scoot. Shoot and scoot. Yeah, we have already held a trade from 11 a.m. Eastern Time to the end, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So 6 hours we held sometimes a trade because I was so convinced that and it worked. But for that, it's your personality who needs to match with it. Not everyone is going to be ready to stay in the front of their monitor or hold a trade during 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Not everyone. Okay, those are trading style is swing trading, positions held overnight or over multiple days. Larger profits, targets, fewer trades, requires patience and emotional control. This is ideal for Phidias swing accounts where you can hold positions over weekends, as I did these past days. Here's what most people get wrong. They choose based on what sounds cool or what they see on social media. That's a recipe for failure, this one. Choose based on honest self-assessment. How much screen time can you realistically commit? Do you handle fast-paced pressure well, or do you need time to think? Can you watch positions overnight without losing sleep? Your trading style isn't a preference, it's a strategic decision that determines everything else in your framework, okay? So we need to put the base, and the base artists. Then, the second pillar is about market and instrument selection. Not all futures instruments are created equal for Propfirm trading. Some give you a natural edge, and others set you up for failures. Okay, let me give you the data. At Phidias, we analyzed 19,000 traders' accounts, and here's what we found. The ES most traded highest liquidity, tight spreads, the go-to for day traders. And if you are trading momentum at the open, like the Nasdaq, is your instrument, the ES and NQ, but personally I prefer the NQ. The Nasdaq is one of the most traded too, the higher volatility, bigger moves, bigger risk. Great for it. He's great for experienced trader who can handle the speed, because if you are not in, it's too late. It's too late. Too late. Any buffer consistency rule about 30%, and the buffer is you just need to go in the rules, boom, 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 and you have your buffer on every account. Look at it, 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 look at it. Withdrawal, bam, buffer for the 50k, 100k, 150k. You have everything. You have everything. Then the cradle, massive intraday range, trading instrument, perfect for traders who trade directional bias, but the volatility requires precise risk management. And to let you know, I'm right now since Thursday. I took a swing trades on this crude oil, so let's take a look on it. He's on the NYMEX exchanges. I took a swing on the micro crude oil. Boom, boom. Let's take a 1 hour chart. Let's put a 1 hour chart. Boom. I have took it on my swing accounts, and I took this entry Thursday at 59.13. I put a stop over there, but it was a wide stop and a really far target. Okay, I'm targeting the 50, and that's why I took this trade. But I think that I need to do the rollover on this one. Wait, let's take a look. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, I'm going to see that later. Boom! Okay. And then the last instrument is about gold. Lower volatility than crude oil, not currently, but generally the gold has a lower volatility than the crude oil, but still substantial movement and safe haven asset, reacts strongly to macro news. Excellent for day traders and swing traders. And here's my recommendation. Start with only one instrument. Master it, learn its personality, its typical ranges, its behavior during news events, become an absolute specialist. Alright? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Put that last slide up again, please, so I can get a snapshot. Thanks, Brad. This one? I could not understand why you can trade NQ, but not MNQ today. I coding enthusiast. I traded the MNQ today. Look. CME, MNQ, select 1 minute. I'm going to put 1 minute, and I took a long over there and I sold over there. You see, I traded the MNQ. Okay, let's come back. So why I'm telling you that to be specialized on one instrument? Because when you are managing drawdowns, limits, and profit targets, you cannot afford to be average at 5 instruments. You need to be exceptional at one, especially at the beginning. And then why not diversify yourself on other instruments? Okay, that's my point of view. Okay, The third pillar is about technical and fundamental mastery. Let's be clear, you don't need 47 indicators. You don't need a custom coded algorithm. You need clarity. Got the snapshots. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome with pleasure, but the market is closed today for CME. No. CME is open. It's open. It's holiday for the USA, but it's open during few hours. Metal safe havens. Lindsay told us, just check if dollar goes weaker or stronger. A strong dollar means weaker gold, and a strong dollar means weaker risk assets too. Okay, the third pillar, as I said, is about technical and fundamental mastery. The technical analysis, about technical analysis is your roadmap. It tells you where price has been and where it's likely to go based on structure, support, resistance, and momentum. The essentials, as I said, market structure, higher highs, higher lows, uptrend, lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. This is non-negotiable to know. Key levels, support and resistance that institutions respect. These are your battle lines. Volume and order flow. I'm using it every single day. Where is the money actually moving? Volume confirms your bias. And then on technical analysis, momentum indicators. For example, I'm using the RSI, but a special one, which is only available on Sierra chart. Then, for example, all the momentum indicators. I'm not using it, but it's up to each one of you. MACD, moving averages. I'm using the EMA 72 and 89. I called it my thin lines, and you can use them for confirmation, but not for entry signals. You need to have several confirmations in the same way to take an entry. It's absolutely logic, but sometimes it's better to repeat it again. But here's where most traders stop, and that's a huge mistake. Fundamental analysis is your directional bias. It tells you why the market is moving. You don't need a PhD in economics, a master in economics. You need to track Fed policy, for example, the interest rate decisions, which drive everything. The economic data, for example, the CPY, NFP, retail sales, these create volatility and trend. And another one, for the example, geopolitical events, wars, elections, trade deals, they shift market sentiment, and that's. And I unfortunately, I'm seeing so many retail traders who are not using this one. So I'm agree with the majority of one who says, yeah, but fundamental analysis will not give me entries for my scalping or for my trading. Yeah, I'm agree with that. That fundamental analysis will not give you some setups on the 1 minute chart or on the 5 minute chart, or to win in scalping day trading. I'm agree with that. But as I said, fundamental analysis is giving you the directional bias, the macro bias, and that you need to know on the markets when you are doing your basic analysis, to know when the market is have the probability to go in the next days, next weeks, and next months, and next year. For example, we know that during the year of the US presidentials, So for example, the last presidentials, it was in 2024. We know that during the presidential year, it's a bullish. Historically, it's a bullish year. During the first year of the presidential, we know that it's a bullish year too, historically, statistically, okay? But during the midterms, so 2 years after the presidentials, and the midterms are for this presidential cycle, these are in 2026. So this year, we know that when we are looking at the statistics of the historical statistics, we know that the midterms here are bearish. So that's why I'm expecting with some probability that this year it could be a red year on the US indices and risk assets. So especially on NQ, ES, YM, Russell, and so on. Okay, look at it. We started the year over there. The 2nd January, we started the year over there, and for the moment, we are doing a new low on the year. Okay, that's only the beginning of the year. We'll see in 12 months how it's going to be. But anyway, we stay for the moment. So that's why you need to combine everything together. Fundamental analysis, technical analysis, because as I told you, I know that during the midterms it's a bearish year when you are looking at the historical statistics. But for the moment, we stay in a bullish trend. So I'm not gonna take any shorts in swing tradings. I'm not gonna take a short on the daily thin lines, because I know on the daily thin lines and generally on all my thin lines, on every thin lines, on every time frames, we are bouncing. We bounce over there. Okay, so that's why I'm just combine everything. All right. Fundamental is important. Lindsay said us so much. That's why I'm put a lot of interest on this one. Okay, and when technical and fundamental analysis are aligned, your edge multiplies it. When they conflict, you stay out. Hi Flo, how was Krakow? I said at the beginning of at the start of this live stream. Where are you from? I'm from France. I'm stuck in a French body because I'm an American boy stuck in a French body. Fuck. Okay, all right. Let's keep going, guys. Boom. The fourth pillar is the risk management and position sizing. Okay, this is where traders either make it or blow up. And it's shockingly simple. You need 3 rules. The first one, the rule number 1, is never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account per trade. And I'm seeing so much traders because they are not risking a lot by Propfirms who's just over leverage. So that's why I say every single time, don't be over leveraged. Stay risk low. That's why I'm trading safely 1 micro on a 25k static account, for example. Okay, but in the same time, I'm telling to myself, okay, I have some capital to inject it. Maybe I can afford myself to be more aggressive, but that's because of my personal situation. Otherwise, for example, if I would have, and that's the objective of the year, if I would have a live account on Phidias Propfirm, I'm going to be absolutely under leverage. I'm going to trade the smaller size as possible, because when you trade the smaller size as possible and you are not over leveraged, that's when you have your edge in your favor. That's where you manage your risk properly, cleanly. And if you are manage your risk properly, cleanly, that's where you let your edge work on the market. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. So, for example, on a 50k account, for example, over there, on a 50k account, that's $500, $1,000 max risk per trade. Okay? But don't be confused, guys. When I'm saying on a 50k account, it's a live account. Okay? It's a real 50k account. Because on a 50k account, your drawdown is $2,500. So at this point, you need to manage your risk according your drawdown with the Propfirm allows you, okay, and not on your accounts. Don't be confused between the both. And so, for example, on survive the losing streaks. Because everyone have a losing streaks, and if you are allowed to survive the losing streaks, it's the only way to win on the markets in trading, or one of the only way. Okay, because even the best strategy has losing streaks. As I said, proper position sizing ensures you survive them. The rule number 2, if you are good to know that this year is statically bearish. Thanks for the tips, Stanon. You're welcome. With pleasure. And if you are French, I've even 1.5 years ago did a video about that when I'm explaining the presidential cycles. But I'm speaking in French. So if you are trading a prop account, shouldn't you look at the drawdown amount instead of the account size when determining max risk? Okay. If you are trading a prop account, shouldn't you look at that you are trading the drawdown amount? Yeah, that's what I said. Don't be confused about that. When I said this 50k account, it was a real live account. So, for example, your own live account or your own account or your own live account, but not an evaluation account or not a funded account. Okay? Otherwise, in only 2 trades, you will blow up your account. So you need, as you say, I said it, but maybe I didn't say it correctly. But on a Propfirm account, in evaluation or funded account, you need to look at the drawdown amount and not the account size. Okay? You need to manage your risk according the drawdown amount. GG, good day, my friend. Thank you, you too. Hi, Anderson. Thanks for the clarification. You're welcome. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Next. Rule number 2: define your stop loss before you enter. Okay. That's just basic, but not after. Not I'll see how it goes. Before, your stop loss is based on technical structure, not on how much you're willing to lose emotionally. Okay? Especially for beginner. The most advanced one can allow themselves to to manage mentally the risk, but especially for the beginner one, just put and get before to take a trade. You need to know how to put your stop loss. The rule number 3: adjust position size based on account type. So for example, at Phidias we have the 25k static account. So as I said and as I showed you, every single day I'm trading with 1 micro contract maximum until you prove consistency. Okay, unless you want to be aggressive, okay, that's what I'm starting to do it too, but beside of that, but since I'm trade with Phidias, I've always this 25k static account trade it properly with 1 micro contracts, because you have a maximum drawdown at the beginning of only $500. So you need to trade with the minimum size ever if you want to be consistent, and not let the chance or not let the gamble, or just you don't want to gamble. Yeah. Okay. Or for another account, for example, on a 50k fundamental account or even swing, I wrote 1 or 2 minis. No, that's force. It's 2-3 micros. Okay, you can allow yourself. But on a 100k swing, I was just confused. It's not 1-2 mini, but 1-2 micros. And on a 100k swing, it depends to the volatility too. But for the moment, currently I'm on a 100k swing and 100k fundamental. I'm trading with 4 micros, not mini, but micros. Okay, I just did a mistake over there. All right. You need to know that, because position sizing isn't about maximizing profit. It's about maximizing survival. Maximizing survival. You need to have it in your mind. You need to survive on the market and not winning. Okay? Because if you survive, you're winning. Next one. Building your personalized strategy. Now we bring it all together. So your personalized winning strategy is your personalized winning strategy is the intersection of these 4 pillars. So here's the framework. Step 1: you need to choose your trading style: day trading, swing trading, scalping, and then once you chose it, lock it in. Step 2: select your primary instrument, one market, master it completely. Step 3: define your edge. What specific setup gives you a statistical advantage? For example, trend continuation, breakout, reversal at key levels, and then write it down. Take a piece of paper and write it down. 1 micro is the best way to go for 25k static. Patience can gain more profits and minimize losses. I so agree with you, Tushar. So agree with you. The max drawdown should be considered as our capital. Exactly. And unfortunately, there are not everyone know that, and or maybe they know it, but they don't have in their mind. Unfortunately, so that's in the same time the purpose of this live stream. For 500 static, that's only $10. What do you mean by $10? Okay, let's keep going. Step 3. Then, once you have already chose your instrument and choose your style, you need to define your edge. What specific setup gives you a statistical advantage? As I said, trend continuation, breakout, reversal at key levels, and then write it down. Okay, like you need to have it, and it needs to be clear. Step 4: set your trading hours. When is your instrument most volatile? For example, I know that the Nasdaq is during the open. That's why during these 5 last years I did, and I'm present in front of my computer, in front of my monitors. At 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central Time, I'm trading the open because that's the most volatile one. That's where I have the most probability in my favor. Okay, and you need to know that. So for that, set trading hours. The hours is one of the most important elements in your framework. And for example, I know for myself that after some context, after 11 a.m., after midday, so after noon, after 11 a.m. noon, Eastern time, I know if we have a low volatility, I don't have the probability anymore in my favor, okay? So I'm gonna be more careful about it if I have to take a trade. So, when does your edge appear most frequently? That's your window when you have to trade. Step 5: document every rule. Entry criteria, exit criteria, stop loss, placement, position sizing, risk per trade. Write every single rule. Either you write it on a piece of paper, either on a journal trades, Excel, or either on specific journal trade software. And soon, I have a viewer among one of you guys. I have a viewer who built from scratch an amazing journal software. So as soon as it's going to be available, I'm gonna use it and show to you in live. Okay, and for that I cannot wait. Boom. The last step is, of course, you need to backtest and paper trade, especially at the beginning. Before you touch a live evaluation or your live evaluation, before to invest your money, you need to know if it's profitable or not. That's why you need to backtest it and paper trade. You need to prove your strategy works. Run it on historical data, trade it on a demo account, track every result. That's the only way to know if your strategy is profitable or not. Okay? This process isn't optional. This is the difference between guessing and executing a proven plan. Boom! Next one. And here's the truth. The traders who succeed at Propfirms aren't the ones with the flashiest setups. They are the ones with the most disciplined systems. The biggest, most profitable traders on Propfirms are the ones with the most disciplined systems. Okay? You need to know that. But how demo account on future? What do you mean? How demo account? On futures, either your trading software allows you to trade on demo. For example, right now I'm in demo on my Sierra chart, okay, and sometimes I'm trading my own personal account too. On TradingView, for example. On Deep Chart, on Quantower, I don't know. But you just need the data feed on futures, okay? For example, on Sierra chart, I just deactivate, my simulation mode, and then I can trade for my own account, for example, okay? And I can activate the simulation mode, and boom, I can, take a long, take a short, and trade in demo in simulation. So you need to find your own trading software which allows you to trade in simulation. Set up a simulated account. Okay. And and to end this first day, as I told you, today it was quick, today it was fast, just to build the basics. Okay, it's because it's logical and it's for the most advanced one. It's obvious. Okay, what I just said these past minutes, it's pretty obvious. But for us, there are always some elements we need to have in our mind when we are trading. Okay, that's why, for example, for all teas, I know that today we are in holiday. I know when we are in holiday there are no volume. I know that especially at the open, when there are no volume, there are less opportunity. I need to be careful on it if I have to trade. I took just one trade earlier, I won it, and then I know that the volatility is going to shrinking. So if the volatility is shrinking, if I kept going like in this, I would give it back all my wins and lose it at the end. Okay? That's because I know by heart my basics, my trading method, my trading systems. I know that if I'm keep going to trade later, especially on this day, on a holiday day, I'm going to lose. Okay? And you need to know for yourself all these things that what I just said earlier. And if you succeed to do that, first of all, you are going to do a huge step forward to be a retail trader, a profitable retail trader. So the edge is in you, not in your indicators, not in your screen setup, not in some strategy you bought online. Serious traders trade with Phidias, where discipline meets opportunity. The day one is complete. Tomorrow we are taking this strategy and turning it into consistent payouts. We'll cover the exact blueprint for passing evaluations, avoiding the traps that kill accounts, because, as I said several times these past weeks, the Nasdaq and the markets are a mice trap. So tomorrow we're gonna break it down how to avoid the traps that kill accounts and transitioning to a live funded account where the real money flows. That's the main objective of 2026 this year, to get the highest live account on Phidias Propfirm. I'm doing it every time, every day in live on this YouTube channel. So this year we're gonna succeed. This year is our year, okay? But today your job is this: define your 4 pillars, define it properly, clearly, write them down, commit to them. Really, I'm dead serious. Because without a strategy, you are just gambling. Okay, and gamblers don't get funded, or maybe they get funded by chance, but they don't get payout. Okay, boom, that's it. And tomorrow, guys, I have so much more things to say and to explain, and oh yeah, a lot of things. And tomorrow it's a normal day on the markets too. It's a normal day. So tomorrow we're gonna trade. During few minutes or even few hours, and then after maybe a whole hour, after the first hour, I'm going to start, I think, the day 2 of this bootcamp. Day 2, the blueprint to consistent payouts. Variance is a killer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, tomorrow I have a lot of things to say. That's going to be interesting. Okay, and live account split is 80-20 with Phidias, right? Yes, Trader Clear. How to pass 25k static accounts, 500 drawdown is a killer. As I'm doing every day, and as I just said before, with one micros, you trade it. You need to trade your own system, your own methods, but only with one micros. And look, I did it last weeks. At the beginning of December, I had a bad period, but then, so I blew up two accounts, two 25k accounts, I think. But then I kept going, and I think from the middle of December, from this one, I had a good period where I'm profitable in this one. And look at it. I just traded with one micro on the 25k static account, and look at my balance. I'm right now with a balance of $26,000. I just need to win even less than $500, and I'm succeeded this one, and I'm going to get a cash account on this 25k account. And last week I even reached a balance of $26,300, something like that. I just needed to win $100, and then I succeeded. But last Wednesday and Thursday I lost. I lost, so I give it back some profits. But even look at it, I gave it back some profits, but I'm still winning. I'm still manage my risk. I still have a green balance. I still have a green profit. Okay, so that's why you need to handle and manage properly, clearly your risk. And even if you blow up your accounts, never mind, it doesn't mind, okay? You just need to keep going. That's just the game. It's the game. It's trading. You keep going. But I can guarantee you, if you are trading with the right size, so when I say right size, it's absolutely the opposite of being over leveraged. Boom! That's where you have the most chance to succeed in trading. Loving the education, thank you so much. You're welcome. Greatly appreciate your time from get recovered from your wild weekend. Thank you so much. Account sir, please one account sir. Okay, wait. Oh, there's no account in my pocket. And let's do a quick explain. Thank you. Let's do a quick quiz. Everyone can answer. I'm gonna not each one of you guys who's answering and who's gonna be eligible to win a giveaway, an account Wednesday on this bootcamp. Let's go, baby! Wait. Just to ask you if you have well listened. Also, okay, are you ready for the quiz? I'm gonna ask you 6-7 questions. No, 5-6 questions, something like that. Well, maybe 5-7. We'll see. All right. Cheers. Let's go. Very nice lessons. Glad to hear that. Yes. Not duck race today. No. Thursday. We are coming back with the duck race. Yes, I learned so much today. Thank you. Tiny Toons, the fastest duck ever. You're welcome. Yes, go. Yes, sir. 1 account, please. There's nothing in my pocket. You saw it. There's absolutely nothing in my pocket. All right, guys. First question. I'm gonna show you. Otherwise, some guys could even not understand the question. All right. Are you ready for the first question? So the first question is, according what I said, what percentage of traders fail their Propfirm evaluation within the first 30 days? What is the percentage of traders who fails their Propfirm evaluation within the 30 days? Is it 67%, 75%, 87%, or 92%? Ooh, Lindsay is the first one! Wait. Si. Si. Ah, Tiny Girl! You're wrong, Tiny Girl! M4V Maxcraft, you're wrong too! Okay. Anybody else? Lots of free. D, hey, Cathy, you're wrong too. D. 87% there. Okay. Let's go, baby. Another question. What is the main reason most traders fail Propfirm evaluations? They don't have enough capital. They are trading hope instead of a strategy. The Propfirm rules are too strict, or they need better indicators. Which one? Ah. Yo. B. Hope trading, hope. No strategy. Because of gambling. Because of gambling. Papacito. Yeah, you're right. You're right too. They're not. All right. Third question. Because no, Marco Polo. Because rhythmic collapse. How trading be? So if it collapses too much, you need to switch your data feed and take another account by the X feed. The X feed. But I didn't hear anymore this last day some issues on the rhythmic data feed. All right, third question. A winning Propfirm strategy must account for 3 critical elements. Which of these is not one of them? A winning A winning Propfirm strategy must account for 3 critical elements. Which of these is not one of them? Market selection, time optimization, indicator combination, rule compatibility. I said it before. C, B, sir, B. Oh, Mr. Big Balls. He's so right. C. Hey guys. You listened. It seems that you listened. This first day of this bootcamp so well, guys. So well. You know everything. Even the most trappiest question, you know the answer. Oh, Cathy! You're wrong on every question or what? What's wrong with you, Cathy? Florian Trader. All right, fourth question. When choosing your trading style, either scalping, day trading or swing trading, what should your decision be based on? A. What looks coolest on social media. B. What's most profitable for other traders. C. Honest self-assessment of your schedule, personality and psychology. Or D. Whatever the Propfirm recommends. Si. Tiny Toons, Trader Titan, Alexandre, BB Fox, J, Mr. Big Balls, RGQC, Mimo Trading. Hey, Ulrixo, what looks coolest on social media? Ulrixo, that's why you are losing. Ulrixo, that's why you are losing. See, comme... See comme big balls. Oh my god, so many winners. Good luck on selecting. Yeah. AI will do that. AI will do that. Okay. Okay. Fifth question. Based on the analysis of 19,000 Phidias Trader accounts, what is the recommended approach to instrument selection? A. Trade 5-7 different instruments to diversify. B. Start with one instrument and master it completely. C. Focus on whatever instrument is trading that week. D. Trade only the most volatile instrument. Lindsay! Parameter trading, Lindsay always amongst the first traders who's reply in the chat. B. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! B. Put a lot of B. E, my decision. I cannot see E unless PPTV. Papacito, you speak German too with this double S or what? Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right. Sixth question. ES vs NQ. Which statement is true about these two popular futures instruments? A. NQ has lower volatility than ES, making it safer for beginners. B. ES has the tightest spreads and is the go-to for most day traders. NQ is recommended as the best starting instruments for new traders. And D. ES has higher volatility and requires more experience. Which statement is true? Which one is true? Oliver's Mytho Magic, Lindsay, always the first one. Lindsay, either you have the best internet connection or either you are really, really quick. But that's just insane. E, copy Florian. Okay, always so you are already copied. BB, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby! Baby! Abitya, baby! B, let's go, baby! Okay. Let's do another question, the last question, the seventh question. Seventh question. Last question. Oops. is gonna be about technical vs fundamental analysis. What is the correct relationship between technical and fundamental analysis in a winning strategy? Answer A. Only use technical analysis. Fundamentals don't matter in futures. It's absolutely useless. B. Only use fundamental analysis. Technicals are just lines on the charts and drawings. C. Technical analysis is your roadmap. Fundamental analysis is your directional bias. D. Use whichever one contradicts the other for contrarian trades. Oh, parameter trading! Parameter trading always! The first one! Only technical. That's why you are doing SG, by the way, or not? Are you only technical? Or do you take a look at the fundamental analysis? I'm pretty sure that the majority of you guys are not looking at the macros. Almost pretty sure. Okay. 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 That's it. That's it. Nice one. Nice quiz session. Yes, technical only. I was sure. I was sure. Hello, Gaito! Hello, Gaetano! See, let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Okay, guys, we are done for the day. We are done for the day. We won with only one trade, one big trade. We did the first day of this bootcamp. Nice. We were so efficient. All together. So efficient. I love that. I love that when we are efficient. Let's go, baby! Also, how is it? How was it, Poland? This was fun while I wasn't trading live. Oh, yeah. Wait, Gaetanus. And yeah, we tried to think and doing new events, new concepts on this trading live stream, and I hope that's for the majority of you, you're gonna like it, this bootcamp, and why not doing another in the future? Why not? If you like it. Today it was the best day to launch it and to do it, because it's holiday in US. So if we haven't did it today, we were so annoying on the markets, waiting something, and even if we were waiting something, I would never catch these moves and this one too. So it was just perfect to do a bootcamp, and that's why I told you guys that tomorrow, because it's a normal day, I'm gonna trade it during the first hour, and then I have a lot of things to tell you. So tomorrow I think it's gonna be a big live stream, at least 4 hours of streaming, maybe 5, and yeah. So we'll see. Make sure to be here tomorrow. Thank you for the education. Really appreciate it, Lindsay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much to you to coming back on the chat and on this live trading live stream and on the best Propfirm show ever. Well, today it wasn't a show. Maybe not. Not so much as usual. But never mind. Thank you to you, Lindsay. Looking forward to more. Thank you so much, Parameter Trading. Florian still holds an NQ trade. When does the market close? Wait. I'm gonna tell you. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Joggy Meister. Thank you to you. It was nice. Thanks, Florian. You're welcome. Thank you to you guys. To all of you. Cannot wait tomorrow. It was great. Okay. I have it. Look at it. The trading hours of the day during US Martin Luther King Day. Okay, equities. Monday, it closed at There's no close or what? It seems that there's no close. It's not written that it's gonna be closed. And Tuesday it closed at 4 p.m. as usual. I don't figure it out, this one. The only first Propfirm who gives us a great lesson in life. Respect, PPTV. Thank you so much! And tomorrow you are not ready. See you tomorrow. I need to get the appetizers ready. Have a good appetizers, Marco Polo. See you tomorrow. It did bounce from your trend lines. NQ hope. Okay. Hope. As I said just before, hope. Hello, Aerosomeon. Can we take a long on the OPR? Even if the candle... It depends of the context, Aerosomeon. It depends of the context. Thanks, man. Let's catch market tomorrow. Let's catch it. Let's nail it tomorrow. Let's go, baby. Gaetanos, you want to see a video? This weekend it was I loved it to meet Tom and La Pivette. We had and spent so all together so lovely moments and funny moments too. Look. It was in Krakow in Poland. It was minus 10 yesterday, and even this night, minus 10 degrees. I was all the weekend freaking cold. And by chance, I got my big shoes. Otherwise, I would be dead. Wow. Yeah, 100 likes, baby. Let's go, baby. Have a good day, everyone. Ciao tomorrow. Ciao. See you tomorrow, Brad. Thank you so much that you were here on the chat. Thank you so much. Have a good day, Brad. Still a full party, full party. Yeah, Friday night, tease night, tease night. He didn't even want to stop this night. La Pivette. I was so tired and I said to La Pivette at 3 a.m. Maybe we need to go home. And La Pivette was like, no, I want to dance, I want to dance. We're entering next Disney Frozen. See you, baby! See you, papacito! Tutto bene, bellissima! See you! And I'm in military. Maybe tomorrow I need to be in military. I'm in military mode on the thumbnail. Let's put ourselves tomorrow on a military mission. Tomorrow, the purpose of tomorrow is just to win, to be in green, and doing the bootcamp. All right, maybe tomorrow I'm going to be a military guy for the U.S. Navy SEALs. I'm just stuck in a French body, but in my mind, I'm a Navy SEAL. I'm an American military. Who just shoot everyone. And the market. Oh, look at it. Oh, I just remind what we did to Saturday morning. We went in a shoot camp. That's the winner. That's Tom Le Trader, the winner. The winner of the last 10K Jordan challenge. Elle l'a pu mettre.
Toi, ouais.
La pivot just sucks to target to aim the target. Wait. That was a sniper. Bah! And then you need to load it the weapon. The sniper! We are the sniper of the Nasdaq! I just sniped the Nasdaq! Pa! We are the NQ sniper! They beat Trump on another thing. What do you mean by that? Are they killing bulls? Bro, let's do a duck race, no giveaway record. You want to? Okay. Because we are fucking duck race addicted to, but not to 20 minutes. Let's do. You would have fun at the range with me. Have surprised 300 blackouts. No way. But tell me where you are from, Colorado, Brad? Because in USA, I did in San Diego. I shooted too in a camp too. But I can guess that with you have surprised 300 blackouts. Wait. How did you suppress 300 blackouts? Did you kill Tom Le Trader at the shooting range because he was not shooting? I had some problems with Tom Trader. Yeah, I shoot his arm like that. I did. Hey Tom! Texas, but not in Mississippi. Okay. That's why, Brad. You're from Texas. Yeah, Texas is the best place on earth to shoot. My dream one time it's to go in Texas, doing and imitating and doing and being a cowboy, shooting with every weapons and doing all the things that the Texas symbolize it. You didn't shoot. Yes, I do. I'm going to win the 10K challenge just to show you the nightlife of St. Petersburg. Reno name. No way. No, you are from St. Petersburg. No way. I've always dreamed to visit this city too. I don't know if it's a good period, but it seems to be a wonderful city and an amazing city. Rather concealed carry the whole 9 years. Had fun shooting full auto at the TX gun. No way! No way! It would be so fun to to do this. Wow! That's the feelings are so good. I love doing this shit. And you'll see what weapons are. We're going to fire. No way! Run the name. Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you to invite me. You have a lot of job to do. You need to win more than $400,000. Good luck for that Reno name. Good luck. With PPTV code, don't forget. With PPTV code. And then if you succeeded, guys, we're going to drive a tank all together, Reno name. Hell yeah, bro. Bring on the tank. No way. Okay, so some guys wants to do a duck race. So let's do a duck race. But without giveaway. Wait. I let you 3 minutes. 3 minutes for the registration of this duck race. But I repeat it. There's no giveaway. Only for fun. Because we love it. And if you want to register yourself and take part of this duck race for fun, just write in the chat ! Duck race for fun PPTV. Let's go baby! No giveaway today, not today. Wednesday. Reno name. Who's gonna win $1 million on the 10K Jordan challenge? I wish you, Reno name. I wish you. Let's go. It's your objective. You call it on the chat. So now you have to do it. Florian, I'm rewriting my trading strategy right now based on what you went over today. Oh, alright. Good luck for that. And as I said, you need to know. How can I say that? Ideally, you need to know what you like on the market. And it's gonna help you so much if you know better yourself than not. And if you are doing that, you're gonna build your basics of your systems, of your trading methods. Why it doesn't work, guys? It doesn't work. I don't know why. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Wait. Why it doesn't work? Oh! It's working! I've been trading NQ, but my backtesting has shown much better results with Phidias. Oh, interesting. Interesting this one. So you see, and it's only backtesting and statistics and tracking, which allows you to see that and to see mathematically that you are more profitable on another markets or with another time period or another days or another thing or absolutely or other I don't know what, but that's why tracking is the most it's the most important thing. Okay, I let 2 minutes left for the duck race for fun. Let's go, baby, without any giveaway, guys. I remind you, Wednesday. There will be the giveaway if you are active on this bootcamp. All right. Who's gonna win the duck race for this new week? And who's gonna win the duck race but winning something, winning nothing? Who's gonna be this luckiest trader? Who's gonna win the duck race by Phidias Propfirm, but non-giveaway? All right, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go at 30 participants. I stop it at 30 participants. There's no giveaway, guys. There's no giveaway. I repeat it. Just for fun. Okay. It will be me today, of course. But no, Brad, you deserve to win an account. I hope that you are not gonna win today. Let's just check. There's no one. Arjun, maybe not. Okay. 21. Maybe another one. Digital, are you still here? Are you? It's not working anymore. Today it's lagging. Okay, done. Boom. Boom. Wait! Oh my god! One second. Wait. I just see something. I just see something that the 13th participant is one of my close persons. I cannot say more. Okay. Who's gonna win? Tis the race. You ask it. You asked it. We are going to do it. We love it. All the weekend I was like, oh, I missed you so much. I missed so much the duck race. I missed so much. I missed so much. I want to participate too. I'm gonna put myself next to Mike Kager alias Mr. Big Balls. Florian Trader. I'm gonna put Tom the Trader again. I'm gonna put La Pivette. And I'm gonna put Phidias Propfirm. 34 participants, let's go! 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Today I don't want to to race half hour. Where I am Papacito. Oh. Papacito? 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 I don't know. I don't know where you are not here. You were not in time. Okay, okay. Okay, Papacito, Erosomeon. Boom. Boom. Done. 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 Are you ready? Let's go! Let's go! Let's freaking go! 3, 2, 1, who's gonna win the duck race? But winning absolutely nothing by Phidias Propfirm. We are going to know that in 3 minutes. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Reno name takes the lead. Tiny Toons, the last winner, the winner, the most winner, the fastest duck of all the history of the duck races. No, I'm gonna change the music. Okay. JB is getting first. Let's go, Donna second. Tiny Toons, Anja Laundry, the number 1, the super duck. Phidias Propfirm, Adidas, World Fantasy, Glory Trail, Trader Kayer, La Pivette, Papacito, Lebon, Summer Trader. 2 minutes remaining. F1C music again.
If there's something strange in your neighborhood,
Papacito like that.
Call
Memo Training. Go Trader Ryu, Mike
and it don't look good.
Baron Trader Roland.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Come on, Super Duck! You are almost first! You are at the front of the peloton! With White Fantasy, with another I cannot see, with Glory Trail, with Tom Trader, with Memo Trading, with JB!
Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
40 seconds! 40 seconds before the winner! Who's gonna win nothing? 40 seconds before the winner! Who's gonna win nothing? Let's go! Who is it? Parmet Trading! Everyone are so close between them, between each one of you. Hello, Heroes Tomeo over there, Kryptonite. 20 seconds. Who's gonna launch the spring? Who's gonna launch the spring? Who is it? Papacito! 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 Papacito, you launch the spring! Papacito! No way! On laundry! No way, on laundry! No way! On laundry, no super duck! No way!
If you've had a dose of a freaky ghost, baby, you better call.
No way! No way! Apparently, Anja Laundry. Anja Laundry. Where are you from, Anja Laundry? No way! Super Duck just won the race! You win a Slimmer PPTV. You just won the duck race with the best skin! The Super Duck! Congrats, bro, my friend in Madagascar. It's your friend? Anja Laundry? Super Duck from Madagascar. No way. No freaking way. Okay. Just because I love this song. For the first time of the history of the duck race, the Super Duck just won the race. Na, 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 na. And in the same time it was the number one. Okay. I'm from Madagascar also. No way, there are so many people from Madagascar. Amazing. No. Okay, we just nailed it. Sorry, Anja Laundry, but you won nothing. You won nothing. Masters. Wow, look at it. The silver just pumped. Like the gold. These past minutes. Insane. Really, we have a huge bubble on this silver. That's just insane what it happened. What's happening right now. And as these past days, just insane. Insane. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. It was fun, bro. It relaxes you. Oh, yeah. See you tomorrow for the bootcamp session 2 and the first real day, trading day of the week. And that's it. Hope that we're gonna win, like every day. But we are going to do our job, what we know how to do, what we have to do, like every day, managing the risk, trying to perform, to snipe the market, snipe the Nasdaq, snipe the silver, snipe all the US indices, snipe the opportunities. Thanks, good vibe for good vibe. Thank you so much, Papacito. You almost won the duck race, almost. But first day, we are coming back with this duck race. Good night, bro. Thank you. Good night to you, Kryptonite from India. It was fun. All right. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Let's go, baby. See you tomorrow.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
See you.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who can you call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call. Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear it likes the girls. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you've had a dose of a freaky ghost, baby, you better call. Something. Bustin' makes me feel good. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, oh no. When it comes through your door, unless you just want some more, I think you better call.